Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss like how we set a password to our files to our folders. So it's very simple. Let's continue with the steps. First of all, you just simply need to click on your folder, then click on the right click. So here we have an option add to archive. We just simply need to click on this, and at the bottom here we have an option set password. Now we need to create a password. Click on this and add any password you want. You can simply set the password from here, and if you also want to encrypt your files names, you can also do from this. First of all, just click on OK, and same here. And now you can see we get the archive file in the zip file, but this file has the password. Now we click on this file. We get the files like this. We also get the files name, but we are not able to open these files without our password. Let's try. Click on this. Sure, they want a password from us. So add the password here. Just click on the OK. And here we can find the Excel file. So it's very simple. So if you want to delete this file, you can. And if you want to use only this file, you can. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel.